Welcome everybody to my channel. I'm Peter. I'll be bringing you automotive related content and events throughout southern Maine and New Hampshire. Welcome to my garage. I'm going to give you a tour of my cars. Here is my 1956 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. Painted with a single stage matte finish urethane, painted about 16 years ago. It's holding up really nicely. The interior, front seat is out of a 1964 Ford Falcon 4-door. Fits in there really nicely. Built in the traditional hot rod way, sourcing parts from other vehicles. Digital gauges. We have the original radio in the truck. Got my fuzzy dice and my Hawaiian girl. Nice headliner. In the back we have our vintage Coca-Cola cooler. The floor is finished in oak with stainless steel strips on it. Under the hood we have a 350 mated to a modified turbo 350. Power brakes, electric power steering out of a Chevy Equinox. New aluminum radiator. Hi, here's my other car, a 1993 40th anniversary C4 Corvette with 4,800 original documented miles. Very nice original survivor car. Yes, I do know the rear wheels are on backwards. I picked the car up in November and only put about 20 miles on it. So it's going for new tires, so we'll straighten it out at that time. Very, very nice original car. The C4s get a lot of bad comments about them. Yeah, they were tons of them. But as time is going on, the real nice ones are getting harder and harder to find. They're out there, you just gotta hunt for them. Very nice, clean engine compartment. I haven't detailed it yet, but this is how I got it. So we'll pop the wheels off and give her a good scrub down as far as where the suspension is. Because of the OptiSpark, you definitely don't want to be wetting the engine down, because the OptiSpark seems to be the Achilles heel of these motors. But doesn't need a whole lot as far as detailing. Very nice original interior. Next to no wear at all on the interior. Everything works. Looking forward to taking this thing out this year and cruising around. Car is pretty heavily optioned. Does have the factory hardtop, which they only produce 937 of them. No way to know the numbers of how many were produced in this color. Another shot of the interior. Very nice and original. No rips, tears, next to no wear at all on it. Just a very nice car. I happened to stumble upon this when I was looking for a C3, but everything I looked at was either been repainted or just had a hard life, and very difficult to find an original survivor C3 that they weren't asking outrageous money for. 4,850 miles, all document, clean Carfax, original paperwork, very document vehicle. I may get an NCRS judged. I was talking to some Corvette people who think this is a benchmark car. So, if you like my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you at the next car event in southern Maine or southern New Hampshire. Have a great day, everyone.